Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my live stream. So right now I told about that Mind Network FEG. Okay. So everyone, and I told about that. So an introduction, this project, this name of right now today I told about that Mind Network FEG. So this is holder airdrop. Okay, right now I told the holder airdrop, hold GT and to receive massive airdrop for free. Okay, everyone, this already see that everyone. So now I going to FHE launch pool. Okay, so Mind Network is an HTTPZ infrastructure that employ total homomorphic encryption (FHE) to user Web3 into a new era of quantum resistance and end-to-end encryption. Mind Network offers unique solutions for data sovereignty protection, fair, consensus, private voting, secure cross-chain transport, and trusted AI. So BTC pool total staking reward 2,60,000 FHE and total token stake BTC. Mining period 5 days. Total stake 827 BTC and participates 1,086 and price pool early cap 2,166.66 FHE and individual early reward cap 216.66 FHE, APR 3.08%, and my staking currently stake to hashtag BTC. So next I told about next I told about the FHE pool. Total staking reward 14,000 FHE and token stake FHE. Mining period 5 days. Total staked 22 crore 9 lakh 73,009 FHE and participate 1,448 and price pool hourly cap 333.33 FHE and individual early reward cap 166.66 FHE and APR 56.05%. This is very amazing. Everyone, look at that, everyone. So right now I open official website. Okay, so I told about that Mind Network. So introduction, Mind Network pioneering FHE infra for a fully encrypted web. Launch. Okay, I click that launch. So Mind Network, my agent launch for your first AI agent. I click that, and you also see that Airdrop, dashboard, agentic world, agent launch, bridge, and connect wallet. Hi, I am the new citizen. I am here to shape an agent world with you together, ready to begin in journey. Okay, the connect wallet, you can click this word. Okay, right now again I am back to home page. So number one in FHE, 51,212 FHE projected agents. It's really good. And 2,054856 citizens holder, and 82 crore 1,68,222 encrypted TXN. Okay, so you also see that for 400 max API limited time launch agent with 10 FHE. You also click this site and enjoy this offer, everyone. You also see that. And which platform connected this site? You also see that total fundraising $12.5 million, and you also see that much more companies it's connected this project. Global 9A Capital, Surprise, Big Brain Holding, Compatry, and G Ventures, ARK Stream Capital, Switchboard, Ventures Global, and many more companies. This project also connected, and FHE technology. So FHE, fully homomorphic encryption. FHE hailed as the holy grail of cryptography in natively built on lattice cryptography, approved by NIST in 2024 as the primary post-quantum encryption standard. And then FHE computation enables computation in encrypted data, preserving privacy and security during use. Okay, and FHE validation verifies in correctness in encrypted computation or data while preserving complete data confidentiality. FHE consensus enables secure and private decision making by allowing AI model to reach agreement on encrypted data without revealing the underlying information. FHE innovations. So right now I told about that. MindChain, first FHE chain for AI agents, partner with the best AI agent. Okay, you also see that, everyone. Look at the project, agent partners, agent hubs, and MindChains. And second, agentic world, FHE consensus for AI agents, shaping a new paradigms for AI with HTTPZ. And also this here, look at the connecting this world agents, DeepSeek, Swarms, BNB chain, many and much popular. It's very popular. Chain is connect this Mind Network FHE. Okay, you also see that, everyone. And FHE bridge, FHE secret interoperability bring the next $1 trillion to Web3. Oh my god, it's very interesting. Introducing agentic world with FHE, the next frontier of AI, agentic AI, which uses reasoning and iterative planning to autonomously solve complex multi-step problems, and it's set to enhance productivity and operation acro- across industries. NVIDIA. Interesting, from AI agent to agentic AI. Look at this, everyone. So if you put all this together, you can build a very rich agentic world defined by this tapestry of agentic AI, which can act on our behalf across work and life teams, business processing, as well as organizations. The trouble is we do give damned. Okay. So everyone, listen to me carefully. I introduction the project name Mind Network FHE. So look at that. Agentic AI compose agentic world. Introducing agentic world with FHE. Okay. One way to solve scaling and security problem is to do with majority of consensus voting, selecting the answer that appears most commonly as the best one. So anthropic FHE consensus is the most promising solution. Mind network. Okay. FHE is supported in iOS 18 and all Apple user will be part of it soon. Apple. Okay. So agentic AI compose agentic world. So I saw that many popular and most popular site and most popular coin involve this Mind Network FHE token. So you also see that Chainlink, Google, Michelle, IONET, Voila, Singularity.net, Swarms, Elijah OS, Virtuals, Spore, Symbiotic, Zema, Chainlink, and many more. And also see that Bounce, Bit, Solve, either .fi, V2 Network, Stickstone, Baby Ion, Pendle, Buffer, Agent Layer, Mangata, Lumox, Revolves, Cycles, and many more. And also see that Carbidin, Rome, Infstone, Duckchain AI, EMC, KIP, FCN, FDN, RenGen, Data Lake, FHE Bridge, Artificially Superior Intelligence Allies, and many more also. This connect this token. So agentic world right on HTTPZ is zero trust paradigms for the internet. So HTTPZ zero trust internet transfer protocol upgrade HTTPS to end-to-end encryption for the internet, which is most cutting edge fully homomorphic encryption FHE technology. Okay. And I told about that Citizens Zero Trust Citizen is community redefining digital citizenship in the HTTPZ era by protecting individual digital sovereignty through FHE. Christian Puseteri, CEO of Mind Network, check citizenship. Okay. and also my network docs, Citizen Z, community citizen. What is Citizen Z? All this here, anyone, you just click Citizen Z and also see that everything this here. So what is my network? What is my network? Let us introduce my network in the sentence, on paragraph, and on article. TLDR, one sentence. My network is the pioneer FHE fully homomorphic encryption infrastructure of a fully encrypted web by enabling quantum resistance, fully encrypted data and AI computation. It so built a zero trust internet protocol HTTPZ, which industry leaders to enable trusted AI and one-chain data computation as new Web3 standard. And one paragraph summary: my network is pioneering FHE fully homomorphic encryption infra of a fully encrypted web. And FHE to empower universal end-to-end encryption for the whole industry, starting with AI, modular chains, gaming, asset management, and DEPI. And my network offers unique solution to ensure data security, consensus security, and transaction security across key domains. My network is backed by notable investors including Finance Lab, Cogitant, Heskey, Animoca brands, Chainlink, and has received 2 Ethereum Foundation grants for its FHE research, partnering with industry leaders like Zama. My network is building a fully encrypted infrastructure committed to releasing the vision of HTTPZ for the next generation internet. Okay, for Citizen Z, power agentic world thought trusted AI Web3 application contributed to HTTPZ run by CZ served to for CZ. Okay. And my network FHE secured agent server, security data computation and consistent, and millions of citizen agent and secure automatically for AI user. All over this here, everyone look at the project all over this here. I really grateful GitHub for launches and this project my network FHE. Okay, and TL doctor, one sentence. My network is a pioneer FHE. Okay, almost I read that. Okay, full explanation. My network in revolutionizing Web3 and AI security by developing the first FHE full homomorphic encryption. Okay, I already okay, infraction and enabling to enter in. Already I told about that. My network mission is to create to zero trust digital ecosystem where data remains encrypted throughout transmission and commutation, ensuring the highest level of security for Web3 and AI application. This is very interesting. The way to security gap is HTTPS encrypts data and transit but expose it upon researching server. As in December 2022, over half of the top website had adopted HTTPS, with user data remains accessible to bank, tech giants, to cloud providers, leaving and vulnerable to bruises and surveillance. Okay, the Web3 challenge: decentralization eliminates trusted intermediaries but introduces new security risks, requiring a paradigm shift in encryption and privacy protection. My network addresses this challenge with HTTPZ a quantum resistant, fully encrypted internet protocol that keep data encrypted during strong transfer computations. Okay, the eliminating reliance on centralized entities. This innovation enhance security across AI, DEFI, DEPI, and RWA gaming and beyond. Okay, so decentralized AI presents significant security challenge as computation occur across distributed and potentially untrusted nodes. So remain protected even at decentralized environment. Okay, by inbuilding HTTPZ into crypto-based AI modular chain, secure voting, and DEPI my network delivers the fast product is FHE infrastructure for Web3, bring encryption, fast AI and blockchain. So AI and blockchain solution to life. My network leads advancement in cross-chain security, fair consensus, and privacy, preserving AI, shaping the future of trusted AI and encrypted computing. My network has raised 12.5 million in funding from Binance Lab, Cogitech SK, Animoca Brands, Chainlink, and other top investor. It has also received 2 Ethereum Foundation research grant in breakthrough in FHE cryptography. Partnering the industry leaders such as Zama, my network is accelerating. Okay, almost I read that everything. The adoption of the FHE technology is the first project to implement TFHE RSV 1.0.0 and Zama's fast production read FHE library in the real world applications and has open source multiple FHE Rust codebase including FCN, FHE, Consonance Network, Mindchain, Swarm, Rust, and so on. Okay, these contributions foster innovation in encrypted computing and advance the vision of a fully encrypted Web3 and AI ecosystem. With cutting-edge research, robust industry collaborations, and commitment to open source innovation, my network is pioneering the future of encrypted computing by making FHE powered security accessibility. It is setting a new standard for privacy, security, and trust and decentralized world. Okay, almost you see that everyone. Binance incubation camp assess 2 Ethereum Foundation grants and 3 Chainlink build program and tier 1 channel partner, and 4th traction has 1 in AI and FHE on root data, and 5th 2.2 million plus active wallet with average 60,000 AUM per wallet. Oh my god. And 6th 20 plus FHE hub integrated partners. Okay, and next HTTPZ. Background. HTTPZ. What is HTTPZ? A zero trust paradigm for the internet. HTTPZ, Zero Trust Internet Transfer Protocol, is a groundbreaking zero trust protocol, has leveraged fully homomorphic encryption FHE to enable end-to-end encryption, ensuring absolute privacy across data transmission, storage, and computation. Okay, my network is the first fully productized HTTPZ infrastructure, pioneering a new era of FHE-driven innovations. It is set to transform the industry by enacting AI data privacy, secure cross-chain transfers, fair medior chain, continuous private gaming boards, and DEPI and data protection. Okay, agentic world represents the ultimate vision of a fully autonomous intelligence security built on HTTPZ principle. The ensure AI agent operated with and to the encryption trustless security. Assalamualaikum bhai. हाँ भाई कौन है लाइक करते कौन Good. আমি আইসি কিনে দিয়েছি তো হ্যালো হ্যালো Okay, I'm really sorry. I told about that. Mine network is first fully productive NSTPPI infrastructure, pioneering a new era FHE-driven innovation. Okay, already I told about that. Agentic world represents the ultimate vision of fully. Okay, already this is I told about that. So it's so funny. It's very funny. The same emojis. Okay. From HTTP to HTTPS to HTTPZ, the evolution of internet security. Since in introduction 1989 has been a backbone of the internet, evolving from basic data transfer to more efficient protocol like HTTP 1.1, HTTP phase 2. So will HTTP as being the standard modern application demand even stronger privacy protections. এটাই ভালো হয়েছে যাক বাবু যায় আমিও যেহেতু কইছিলাম ফোন দিছেন এটাই ভালো হয়েছে ভাই যে আইসা দেখা করে গেছি হ্যাঁ ভালো হয়েছে ভাই ভালো হয়েছে সমস্যা নেই আচ্ছা ভাই সকালে তাহলে ইনশাল্লাহ দেখা হইব ফোন দিন ওকে Okay, I told about that. Okay. So what told about that the future with HTTPZ Battleic Buterin highlight two key challenges: a word and the rise of superintelligence and the difficulty of large-scale collaboration, both require secure communication, making HTTPZ essential. In the context of HTTPZ, my network as a pioneer of fully homomorphic encryption FHE has partnered with FHE leaders to introduce the citizens concept as a universal application layer under the HTTPZ protocol, driving personal autonomy and decentralization. In an era where information is wealth and AI driven productivity is at its peak as TTPZ ensure that privacy, sovereignty and autonomy of fundamental right not privilege forming the secure foundation of agentic world where AI decentralized collaborations refer to you also see that and you can click this the side referral and now I challenges and solutions for dimensional evolution of AI, the synergetic development of data, computing models and security. By analyzing the past and future trajectory of artificial intelligence AI, it is evident that its continued progress relies on the interconnected advancement of our key dimensions: data, computing power, model, algorithm, and security. Data scale AI built a high quality data foundation thought its data leveling framework, ensuring that AI models are trained on accurate and diverse dataset. Computing. NVIDIA has set a AI computing standard by leveraging the parallel computing capabilities of GPUs and the CUDA platform, significantly accelerating AI model training and inference. Model. Since the launch of GPT in 2018, OpenAI has continuously pushed the boundaries of transfer architecture, driving innovation in context learning and instruction following, shaping the next generation of AI applications. Solving AI and Web3 most critical security challenge with FHE. Mind network leverage fully homomorphic encryption FHE to address critical security challenge in AI and Web3, including data privacy, transaction confidentiality, fair conscience, and quantum resistance by unveiling end-to-end encryption across storage. And one consensus fairness and decentralized network challenge. Validators in AI blockchain network often replicate validator result instead of performing independent verifications, leading to fairness to security concern. Unprotected voting maintains allow of manipulations, reducing trust conscious process. And now and two, transaction privacy and cross-chain confidentiality challenge. Financial institutions require to strict transaction privacy when interacting between private and public blockchain to meet regulatory compliance. However, current DeFi infrastructure expose transaction data, deterring institutional adoption and risking financial confidentiality. Solution: the FHE cross-chain bridge enables quantum resistance private transactions, providing full competence and confidentiality for DeFi and institutional finance integrated to HTTPZ and ensure trustless encrypted asset transfer without intermediaries. And three, data privacy in AI and decentralized storage. And Hiba, good project, thank you so much. And Hiba also interesting, it's very good for watching my live stream. And Rapunzel, hi, hello Rapunzel, how are you? And thank you so much for joining my live stream. So right now I told about that data privacy in AI decentralized storage. Challenge: AI model depend infrastructure and decentralized storage networks often expose sensitive user data during processing, leading to potential privacy breach. This is especially concerning in highly secure fields like healthcare and finance, where data sensitivity the paramount. There is no mechanism in ensure AI inference to decentralized storage remain private. Solution: FHE enable encrypted computation, preserving privacy in AI model training, and decentralized storage HTTPZ ensure AI applications process encrypted data in zero trust manner, securing machine learning and data storage. Okay, and 4, data ownership and monetizations challenge. Okay, Rapunzel, mine, how are you, brother? Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And you? So challenge: user often lose control over their data when sharing it for AI training, analytics, or monetization. Exciting platform lack mechanism that allow user to securely monetize data while maintaining ownership. Okay, so solution: Mind Network FHE data platform enable encrypted data monetization, allowing user to maintain full control while securely participating in DESCI, AI and DEPI and ecosystem. Okay, HTTPZ ensure data sovereign, allowing value exchange without expose sensitive data. Okay, and okay, limitations of zero knowledge proof ZKP in secure computation. Okay, challenge: zero knowledge proof ZKPs require heavy computational pre-processing and struggle with complex AI and blockchain applications, making real-time privacy solution inefficient. Their computational cost hinder scalability. Solution: FHE power secure computations, remove for processing, recommend providing scalable privacy enhanced solution. V1 ZKPZ HTTPZ extend this trustless computations model, enabling efficient privacy preserving operations. And 6, protecting DEFI against front running and sandwich attacks. Okay, challenge: transparent mempools in DEFI expose pending transaction, allowing malicious actor and manipulate price. The lack of private transaction enable front running and sandwich attack, resume fairness in decentralized finance. Solution: FHE encrypted transaction ensure private execution of traders, protecting the DEFI user from manipulation and preserving market integrity. Okay, and 7, secure AI agents in decentralized AI workflows. And 8, quantum resistance security for AI and Web3. Okay, right now I told about that FHE research. Okay, FHE research. Mind Networks FHE research focus areas. Mind Network is pioneering advancements Okay. Mind network is pioneering advancement in fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, and enhanced security, privacy, and trust, and blockchain and AI ecosystem. Our research spans 6 critical areas. 1. FHE validation, objection, developing trusted validation mechanism of blockchain and AI, ensuring integrity and security without exposing sensitive data. 2. FHE consensus objective, designating ensure consenting mechanism powered by FHE to enable trustless, verifiable, and tamper-proof decision making in decentralized networks. And 3. FHE chain objective, building a dedicated blockchain that integrates on-chain security with FHE, ensuring end-to-end encryption across all transaction and computations. Okay. Number 4. FHE transactions objective, innovating complaint privacy, preserving transactions, and secure messaging for blockchain and AI, balancing regulatory need to confidentiality. And number 5. FHE SIMs. Okay. And Turan99, hi. Hello Turan, welcome to my live stream. I'm really surprising for coming my live. I'm really surprising. बहुत दिनों के बाद मेरा लाइव पर मैं देखा हूँ आपको. ओके तुरंत অনেক বেশি ধন্যবাদ লাইভে আসার জন্য. মানে মনে হচ্ছে যে অনেক দিন পর আমি মানে আমার লাইভে আপনাকে দেখলাম মেসেজ করতে. আমি জানি না আপনি কোন টাইমে থাকেন বা কখন দেখেন, বাট মনে হলো যে অনেক দিন পর দেখলাম. অ্যান্ড তুরান99 কেমন আছেন? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ. আপনি ভালো আছেন? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ব্রো, আপনি ভালো আছেন? মার্কেটের কী অবস্থা? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আলহামদুলিল্লাহ. তবে এই সপ্তাহটায় মনে হচ্ছে যে বেশি একটা পুলব্যাকের কারণে হয়তো বা ভালো বাইরের দিকে কিছুটা যাইতে পারে. মার্কেটের লাইভ আমি অবশ্যই দিনের বেলা করি ভাই. মার্কেট অ্যানালাইসিস লাইভটা আমি দিনের বেলাতে করছি. হ্যাঁ, 10টা থেকে 11টা থেকে আমি শুরু করি. ওকে, 10টা থেকে 11টার ভিতরে আমি লাইভটা শুরু করার চেষ্টা করি সকালবেলায়. আগে এই টাইমে করতাম না, বাট এখন আমি চেষ্টা করি সকালেই কমপ্লিট করে ফেলার আর কি. তো ইনশাল্লাহ অবশ্যই কথা হবে. আশা করি নেক্সট লাইভে আপনি অবশ্যই আসবেন. ওকে. ওকে তুরন্ত, ও আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ একদম. Okay, so right now I told about that. And FHE SIM objective, advancing cryptographic SIMs and 2 random number generation using FHE to strengthen encryption and predictability in security protocols. FHE data objective, developing zero trust encryption and computation models that enable fully private, decentralized AI and blockchain ecosystem by pushing the boundaries of FHE powered security. My network is shaping the future of privacy, preserving AI and blockchain application. Okay. All over this here. Okay, so Luma FHE.org 2025 conference, Sofia. Okay, FHE.org conference 2025, the 4th annual FHE.org conference on fully homomorphic encryption. Okay, right now you also see that, and many companies connecting this token: AWS, Brightside, Cornami, Crypto Expert, Okay, this is a broker site and many website. Okay. Inco have Heaven, Mind Network, okay, Allbit, Nilion, Phantom Zone, Zama, Secret Site, Symbolic, The Engineer, Ostive, Optologist, and many more, and next FHE 101. Okay, FHE 101, FHE fully homomorphic encryption. Okay, you also see that all over this here, FHE fully homomorphic encryption data, okay, result and everything this here. FHE characteristic. FHE has below unique key characteristics. Okay, computations in encrypted data. FHE allow computations to be performed directly on encrypted data without description. In the blockchain, FHE can support confidential transaction, hiding transaction amounts while still ensuring validity. In AI, FHE enables privacy preserving machine learning, allowing AI to analyze encrypted data without accessing raw information and be useful for secure federated learning. And the end-to-end privacy. Okay, data owner do not need to share private key, and only the data owner can decrypt the final result. Neither to computing party nor intermediaries can access raw data. In blockchain, FHE can prevent transaction details from being exposed and protect sensitive business logic. In AI, FHE allow secure AI as a service and support privacy preserving AI inference by ensuring user data remain confidential. Okay, zero trust computation. FHE computation can be securely outsourced without trusting the computing entity. In blockchain, FHE enables secure off-chain computation and make L2 more private and efficient. In AI, FHE support trustless AI module development and enable secure AI collaboration between trusted parties. Okay, quantum safe. FHE harness the complexity of lattice-based NP hard problem to provide strong resistance against quantum attack. Lattice-like storage vector problem has been actively evaluated from 2016 and formally accepted in NIST as a mainstream post-quantum crypto standard. Okay, FHE story. You also see that fully homomorphic encryption. FHE has evolved from early homomorphic encryption HE concept into a powerful tools for performing secure computations of encrypted data without description. Okay. So right now I told about that. In 1978, the concept is born. Revised Edelman of Dreyfus's first proposed the idea of computing on encrypted data without description, laying a foundation of homomorphic encryption. Early cryptographic schemes like RSA, IGNOR, and Payoneer supported partial homomorphic encryption (PHE), enabling either addition or multiplication, but do not both. 2009, the first FHE schemes. Craig gently introduced the first viable FHE SIMs using ideal lattice and bootstrapping to support unlimited computations of encrypted data. This breakthrough spurred of a Web3 research into making FHE more practical. Okay, and next 2011 and 2017 advancement in efficiency. Okay, and Hiba, thank you so much for lovely emojis. And Hiba, good, nice, and nice welcome tone. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely and sweet compliment. Thank you so much, Hiba. And stay with me, everyone. I told about that my network FHE. Okay. So right now I told about that 2011 every advancement and efficiency. New FHE SIMs embraced including BGB and BFB, which were based on the learning which error LWB problem, improving efficiency for real world applications. The CKS SIMs further explain FHE capabilities by handling approximate real number computations, making it particularly valuable for privacy preserving machine learning. Okay, so then 2020 performance breakthrough. The TFHE SIM significantly improved FHE performance by accelerating bootstrapping and optimizing ciphertext refresh times. In 2025, Zama enhanced its practicality with TFHE version 1.010 ready Rust based in implementation. The boosted efficiency, usability, and my network contributions. Okay, building on this advancement, my network integrated TFHE V1 and other FHE library to secure blockchain data processing, making major milestone in the real world development in FHE for Web3 security and privacy. For further insight, refer Wikipedia and Elleria talk, Paleoliar talk, and Gentry's talk. Okay, FHE foundational libraries. FHE almost here everything. And Hiba, it's amazing you doing your project again. Thank you for represent this to us. Thank you so much for lovely compliment. And I just told you, stay in my life and listen to me. I told about that my network FHE. Okay, so right now I told about that TFHE, HEN, Open FHE, here Secret Flow HEU. Okay, all about that here. You also see that. Okay, FHE 101 client. Okay, all about this. Okay, you also see the all about this. Okay, and next FHE validation. Okay, FHE validation, my network research result. DeepSeek FHE validator. Okay, also repo DeepSeek official link. Okay, Virtuals FHE validator. Okay, this link also here. Eliza FHE validator. Okay, repo Eliza with FHE tutorial. Okay, and Worms FHE validator. Okay, from Worms, Rust, Worms Shield. Okay, I'll link this here. And my network research details. Okay, proof of stake POS. Okay, this here also see that FHE validation focus on providing. Okay, all over this here. FHE validation address all over this here. Okay, so 1. Alice encrypts her value privately. 2. Alice sends to encrypted value of Bob for computations. 3. Bob computes the functions on the encrypted data and return the result. Okay, and 4, analyze decrypt the result to obtain the final value. Okay, so with FHE POS the developed into concepts of mathematical production of stake by encrypted vote, being different from classical POS. Before and after voting, each validator node cannot say what other have votes and is called private voting. Okay, you also see that in mine network FHE validators are focused to a independent validators because their votes cannot be seen. We have developed SDK as in multiple languages to facilitate FHE validator. Okay, FHE validators encrypt their voting using a specific FHE public key and submit them to the FHE validation consensus. This is extremely useful in AI and agents and mine already adopted by in popular projects like DeepSeek, Virtuals, Elijah and Worms. Okay, I just click next FHE conscience. Okay, right now I told about that FHE conscience. Okay, mine network research result. Okay, academic publication mine network researched and developed to enable a new encrypted conscious through FHE paper title enabling encrypted conscious through a fully homomorphic encryption in proof of intelligence mechanism. The research paper in the under publication peer review and can share upon request. Okay, FHE consciousness node. Okay, and everyone, I request everyone, you also listen my live. You can share my live stream. You can share my live stream and you also follow my channel. I just request everyone. So right now I told about mine network research details. In the mine network, FHE validators vote in hubs and are known as hub independent validators. SIV, this improper POS mechanism is termed POSIV, POS with independence validation. We develop SDKs in multiple languages in facilities FHE validation. SIV as encrypt their votes using a specific FHE public key and submit them to the FHE validation. Consentence to participate in validation SIVs must register, meet staking criteria and OPT into specific validation tasks. The end-to-end follow architecture are like video. Okay, all over this here. Understanding POSIV and POSIV input. Okay, all over this here. POSIV consensus. Okay, all over this here. You also see that POSIV output. Okay, POSIV description. Okay, everyone, you also see that. Okay, right now I next FHE chains. Okay, FHE chain, mine network research result, mine chain link, minenet explore, testnet explore, Rust SDK, mine chain SDK, Rust SDK and TS SDK. Okay, mine network research details. Mine chain is a specialist roll-up chain tailored for FHE validation, boosting key feature that cater to the unique recommended of a domain. Okay, key feature: support for large data size, fast settlement and transaction. 3. Remote staking with trustable messaging. Okay, right now I told about that compatibility and development. And Fourth, staking mechanism in TOSIB. And fifth, benefit of remote staking. 1. Preventing token loss. 2. Missing token value loss. Okay. Immutable ledger for efficient transactions. Okay. 2. Unstaking process. All over this here, I just told about title. See that everyone, I just tell about this title. So reward and slashing in consent new. Okay, all over this here. Right now, next FHE transaction. FHE transaction, my network research result, peer review publication. All link this here. HEDKSA privacy preserving stealth address protocol via actively homomorphic encryption, Ethereum research, safe protocol contact, FHE SAP SDK. Okay, my network research details, motivation, all over this here, user journey, the details of FHE DKSAP, all over this here, initialization process, then essay generation process on the sender side process, step 2, and step 3, essay generation process on the recipient side, and step and many more that, and research post the Ethereum research about Mindshape. FHE DKSAP fully homomorphic encryption based dual key stealth address protocol. Okay, cryptography, all over this here, all over this here, introduction. Okay, all over this, and research paper about FHE DKSAP, all over this, blockchain transaction have content widespread adoption across various industries, literally all over this here. Okay, this also link this here, you also click that. Okay, and presentation in Ethereum Foundation private event about FHE DKSAP. FHE DKSAP. Okay, all over this here. And next, FHE SIMs, my network research result, all over this here, my network research details. Okay, algorithm function return and function foundation return. Okay, all over this here. And next, FHE data, and right now I'll tell about that. My network research result, FHE data leak, Python SDK, TipScript SDK, mine data pack connector, TipScript Python FHE data pack, decentralized storage integration, average BNB generate EPS. Okay, miners. Okay, all over this here. And now production overview. Enable secure AI and Web3 with FHE to FHE based AI and Web3 infrastructure. Okay, mine network core production, agentic world, mine chain 2 and 3, FHE bridge, and enable production 1, mine v indeed. Okay, all over this here. And next, agentic world. Agentic world, what is the agentic world? Okay, all over this here, you also see that how it works, all over this here. Okay, I just see that how agentic world. Okay, last. Okay, I told about that how agentic world contributed to HTTPZ. Okay, all over this here. And now next, agentic world user guide. Agentic world user guide. Welcome to agentic world. Okay, ready to create your own AI agent. Okay, you just click this link and also create your agentic world setup. Okay, explore, learn and earn. It's very interesting. And that how you AI agent grows, all over this here. And next, agent launch mainnet. Okay, agent launch depth, all over this here, step by step guide. Everyone look at this page, step by step, all over this here. Okay, okay, now next, agent launch mainnet. Okay, all over this here, testnet, reward rules, agent launches testnet, okay, and reward rules. You also see that reward rules, reward source, FHE, reward explanate, okay, all over this here. Reward formula, okay, reward formula, how is APY determined, okay, all over this here. How reward work in agentic world, or chase traction level reward, okay, a flexible and fair incentive model. And next, revenue and payment, all over this here. And next, bridge. I just click this title and I told about this. Everything I told about this, everything I read it, I just click title, okay. Supported token. Currently the main chain bridge supports FHE and ETH. More token will be supported soon. Bridge partner, okay, all over this here. Step by step is production, okay. And next, main chain, okay, quick info, all over this here. What is main chain? All over this here. Main chain architecture, all over this here. AI agent layer, extension layer, foundation layer, service layer, all over this here, everyone. Main chain developer guide, learn more about main chain. Click this here. Explorer or blockchain, okay, all over. Support TED token, bridge to other chains, okay, chain list enters, okay. FHE bridge. Now I open FHE bridge, quick info, mine network, FHE bridge, depth, FHE bridge guide, transfer bridge, manage, strange address protocol contract, breaches material, all over this here, okay. How to use FHE bridge, okay. You also click this site and many more. FHE guide transfer, guide transfer, supported network, supported token, register before you go, step by step tutorial. Step 1, connect to the network on which you want to make transfer. Step 2, make a transfer, okay, all over this here. This is site of my network, FHE bridge demo. You also click this site and see many information. Right now I click FHE bridge guide bridge, okay, FHE guide bridge, okay, supported token, okay, all over this here. And FHE guide manage, okay. Step 2, transfer to bridge and fund from the still address, okay. And right now I click main TV indent, okay. What is MindV, what is hub, all over this here. MindV hub partners, all over this here. And MindV user guide, indent. What is voter on my network, vote on, okay, all over this here. Tutorial and also all over this here. BFHE explanations, indent, BFHE token, okay. Benefit of holding BFHE, okay. Mine network, Airdrop, partner network, constituents, dual reward, FHE allocation, FHE emission for voting on hub, daily emissions rate for each hub, okay. Already all over this here. And deep shark integrating FHE RAS SDK, all over this here. Minex encrypted LLM, all over this here. And AI agent framework, Eliza OS and virtuals, okay. Security risks and processing, okay. Leak privacy and AI work from, okay. Inefficiency and AI collaboration, okay. Minority solution, secure encrypted and AI processing, privacy, preserving and AI competition, computation, and trustless multi-agent AI collaboration. Okay, all over this here, and multi-agent SRAM Shield Hub. Okay, all over this here, and now World AI Health Hub. Okay, all over this here, FHE powered privacy solution and impact, all over this here, and fair randomness in decentralized system. Okay, all over this here. Okay, FHE plus TEE security in decentralized AI governance. Okay, Mind Network X Follow Network Export. Okay, all over this here, and decentralized GPU competition. Then Mind Lake FHE encrypted. Oh, more many tutorial step by step, more many this side. Everyone look at the more many this side. And MindLake FHE encrypted data encryption, cross-chain infra, all over this here. Storage security, pain points in storage. Okay, all over this here, and FHE governance FHE. Okay, FHE, the core fuel of my network and agentic world. Okay, all over this here. What FHE power across the ecosystem. Okay, the road ahead. Okay, and next tokenomics. FHE serves the native utility and governance token of the my network ecosystem. Okay, all over this here, and then get FHE. FHE currently only available on centralized exchange CEX. As follow this guide to buy FHE and deposit it to either BNB chain or Mind chain, so you can activate agents and earn reward in agentic world. Step 1, create an account. Okay, step 2, buy FHE. Okay, step 3, withdraw FHE BNB smart chain, Mind chain. Okay, all over this here. And community citizenship, already I told about that. Security and privacy, auditing FHE breach, audited risk tag, multi SIG times log, Mind Network team or service, Mind Network privacy and policy, Mind Network Airdrop terms and service, Mind Network Airdrop privacy and policy, other Airdrop user guide, FAQ official link, Wranglet, all over this here. So right now I told about that. I also all over this here. Right now I told about that. FHE Twitter link. Okay, you also click FHE and you also see that it's two. Okay, Mind Network, you also see that Mind Network, Twitter link, Mind Network. Okay, you also click that Mind Network FHE, and this is our FAQ. Okay, I told about that everything. So right now I close my live, and you also see the startup rules updated. Okay, sir, and claim Airdrop. Okay, you also see that everything. You also click this link and read that, everyone. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for stay my live stream. So right now, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Next live coming soon tomorrow morning. So Allah Hafiz. and assalamu alaikum everyone.